You can see here in the streets there are many share bikes, but normally we have two big companies. The OFO, you see there's an OFO, that is the yellow one, and then the other one is MOBIKE. From the very beginning, the MOBIKE, this is the third generation of the latest MOBIKE. The first one and the second one may be in the factory again. So this is the third one. The good thing is that they have the basket here, and then here the people can change the altitude. For example, like this for me, okay, and then I put it back. And as you can see here, each bike they contain one QR code. It's the unique one. Yeah. And then here we have to install the MOBIKE. It's the MOBIKE application. This is the advertisement. So here first we need to make an account with our telephone number, and then we have to put normally 300 yuan as the deposit, and then we put the money inside of the telephone account. Then we can scan the QR code. For example, I will scan this one. Okay. Now I put it here. Scan, and then it will open. When it opens, I can write. Now they start to charge me. And normally, depends on the cost is here. 1 yuan for 30 minutes. This one is 1 yuan, also 1 yuan for 30 minutes. Why they put the WeChat here? Because the MOBIKE, they have the cooperation with WeChat. So if you can see this logo, normally we can only use the WeChat scan QR code to scan this one, and the lock will again open. So when I finish the bike, maybe somewhere, it's not, I don't need to put it in a specific place. For example, okay, I will drop the bike here, and then I switch it off. Like, yeah, okay. Yep. When we hear "Dit-dit,"
it's already.
Okay, confirmed. Now the system here may change. Okay, and then finished. And later they will send me just like a simple receipt. Now I finished.
Yeah.
And here is like a map. So the company will tell me where can I get the nearest MOBIKE. So this is the idea, how we use.
Cool.
Yes.